You call him Lily of the Valley. You say you never ever leave him. Oh, Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say?
I know you like the melodies, I know you like the song. You say you make my Jesus proud, but yet your life is wrong. You've been singing, you've been dancing, you've been calling him your lover. But the last time that we checked, you were sleeping with another man.
You say when he calls, you come running, but you know in your heart you just lying. Oh, it's time to get rid of the melodies and let us face reality, my brother.
You mean what you say? Don't you see how you are losing God for likes? Your battery always full, but your prayer life was that. You are consoling Jesus, but you're dressing like the world. It's your promise keeper, but you never made him Lord.
You say when he calls, you come running, but the last time that we checked, you're not coming. Oh, you are a reckless lover, but you know what's over. Say, my brother, do you mean what you say? Oh, you call him Lily of the Valley. You say you never ever leave him. Oh, Jesus today, Jesus today.